I bought this off eBay, and it is a faulty new PC Engine. So, be interesting to see how it's faulty and new at the same time. If I remember rightly in the listing, it said that it powered on, but that the controller didn't function. So, I don't know whether it's got a faulty controller or whether they were just lying to me. Well, there's the controller. I mean, it looks new. Yeah. Well, let's plug it in, see what it does. Power. And it does indeed come on. Let's connect the controller up and see if it does anything. No. Okay, let's try the other port. Also no. Let's just try switching it on with that already plugged in. Also no. Right, so you can't actually get past that main screen. So there's obviously a problem either with the controller or with the USB port. I assume, or I mean it might be a chip somewhere inside there, I don't know. I'm going to go and plug this into my PC and see if it recognises it in there. Yep, definitely recognises it. There we go, all set up. So I don't think it's a problem with the controller. I'm guessing it's something inside here, whether there's a USB controller chip or whether these ports aren't soldered on properly, I don't know. But let's open it up and let's have a look. I'll do my usual unscrewing Holy Hand Grenade patron shoutouts. And this week we've got Tidder and Jamrag Berlin. Thanks very much, guys. It's much appreciated. Right, so USB ports are there. Everything's covered with this little metal plate. Oh, it's made by Hori. They make the gamepads, don't they? Well, let's take this out. Let's see if we can see anything obvious. I mean, it's quite simple. There's not a lot going on at all. Well, the solder joints look fine there on the USB port. You can see what look like some little filters there. Obviously they're microscopic, so I'm not going to see them without the microscopic magnifying device. Yeah, let's get this under the microscope. Right, so there's the USB port. The solder joints look fine. And they run round to these little... Well, I thought they were filters, I'm not entirely sure what they are. VF. What are VFs? Get the beeping device out. Right, well, whatever they are, they're ground on one side and not on the other. So they don't appear to be shorting, so... And then it goes through these little holes there, so where does that come up? Well, it comes up... That comes up here and goes through... Well, they do look like filters. And they seem to be okay. And then, oh, it goes into this chip. Let's check for shorts around this chip. I mean, the console is coming on, isn't it? So... Nothing is shorting around that particular chip. I mean, I don't know where it goes after that, do I? I mean, that's got to be the main suspect so far. Where is it? There we go. MA8601. Okay, so a MA8601 is a USB 2 high-speed 4-port hub controller. It's going to be that, isn't it? Right, I found the chip on AliExpress, £1.32. Can't seem to find it in the UK. Right, I'm going to order a couple of those up because they are cheap. I'm going to carry on looking around here, but I still strongly suspect that chip. But hey, you never know, I might find something else blindingly obvious. Maybe that chip isn't getting 5 volts, for example. And then it can't do its thing, can it? Right, pin 20, we should have 5 volts. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So on this one, yeah, 4.9. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely voltage getting to it. Whether it's the right voltage, I don't know. I don't really know. But the very fact that the rest of it is working and it does come on still makes me believe that it could be that chip. Well, look, I don't know what else to do because nothing is visibly damaged on the board. Nothing is short into ground. I think I'm going to have to wait for the chips to arrive from China. So I guess we'll come back to this in a few months. It's been a couple of weeks and my chips have arrived from China. Nice. While I was waiting for them to arrive, I was doing some research on this problem, and it does seem to be quite widespread, and I couldn't find a solution to it anywhere. So there's obviously something fundamentally wrong with these consoles. Whether that's been fixed recently, I don't know. But if you search it up, there are literally loads and loads of people that have got this problem, and nobody appears to have found a solution. So I think it's highly unlikely that I'm going to find the solution, but I'm going to try and swap that chip out and see if that does make any difference. So let's get this chip replaced. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? The heat is on. The heat is on. The heat is on. Burning, burning, burning. It's on the chip. Ooh, ooh. The heat is on. Let's pop the replacement one on. Nice. Right, I'm just going to let that cool down and then we'll give it a test. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Right, first things first. Let's see if it actually comes on. It does still come on. Let's plug the controller in. Okay, here goes. Get in! Whew. I got a bit excited there. Right, I'm going to put all this back together and then I can test it fully. Oh, wow. Such a good feeling. Alright, alright. There she is. Let's switch it on. Nice. Victory run. Let's play that. Never heard of it. Let's go! It's like Outrun. Oh, you put that there. Ooh, the sky's changed. Oh, what the... Right, well, it works. I mean, it works. I'm happy. This game, though. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh.